Out to lunch. I'm not out to lunch. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to be working for a friend of mine, a valuable viewer of Joe's. I've come out here to her shoe store to help her today.
Thank goodness.
And hey, you said you made me a list. Now I want to know where that list is.
What kind of slacker am I?
Huh?
I can't find it, Joe.
Come
I'll
on.
take a longer one.
If you find the list, I told you I'd help you all day today.
I know.
And you know what? I'm a little nervous because I haven't worked for anybody for over 30 years.
Yes, you're a smart man.
Okay. But I'm giving you my time today, so you've got to give me that list. All right?
Damn it. Okay, I'm going in.
Yes, she has made a list for me. She's trying to find it. And it's kind of like a honey-do list, but it's more like a list for an employee. Because why? She does not have any employees. She works this whole store on her own. That's pretty amazing, So I thought I'd give her a few hours of my time and get a few things done. Now, if only we could find...
Are you going to wear an apron too, Joe?
Hey, if you want me to wear an apron, fine, but I hope it's not that pink one.
I have a pink one.
Oh, no.
Okay. I won't do that to you.
Okay. Hey, whatever you want to do. If you want to run the camera and make me look like a fool a few times, I'm down for that.
Okay, I'm going back to find the list.
Okay. All right. She's a shoe designer, too. These are pretty cool. I think she designed the hot biscuit.
Yes.
Here's a hot biscuit right here that she's designed, okay? And I think she's designed some other things too. I see some pretty cool things over here. Look at this right here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I like that. Okay.
Okay, I'm making up your list, Joe. I'm rewriting it.
No.
I'm gonna make it up.
Okay. All right. Seems as though you spent all day on it yesterday. It should be
know.
fresh in your mind, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Right?
All right. Let's get on with it. I'll be right back.
And...
That's a good girl. Make that list.
Oh, it's getting long, Joe. All right. And what else? Oh, yeah, shop.
Wait, what did you say about slave work? This is a slave work list today, right?
Today, it's just easy. We're going to make patterns, and we're going to take heels off of shoes and get ready so I can do some shoe repair.
Oh, goodness gracious. But then what do you have for me to do later? Something with YouTube, right?
Yeah, the YouTube, I'm creating my own channel like you have your awesome channel.
Oh, cool.
And so you're helping me build that out with some cool things like shelving, a little kind of a confessional seating area so I can do my own commentaries.
Uh-huh.
And making my place a little more functional for cameras and things like that, because I think you're the man that knows how to set up these YouTube channels, Joe.
Okay, well, I'll do the best I can because I want you to be as successful as I am on YouTube.
That's right. I'm
All
ready,
right.
Joe.
Okay.
All right.